Is it my one eye? Hey campers, welcome back to the campground again. This time we're playing Team VIP. We had a lot of fun with this. This is my first time playing Team VIP. I wasn't sure how it was going to go, but it was hella fun and it was crazy. I mean, we were getting killed and we were killing the crap out of their VIP just to get this win. I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget that everyone is welcome around the campfire.
One of us has to be protected by 3 other people at all times.
Does it pick who has to be protected?
Yes.
Oh boy.
Watch it be camper.
I hope not.
Yeah.
I want to
Watch it be camper.
3,
Wait, it starts
2,
too.
1. VIP.
Balerion.
Oh,
Balerion VIP.
alright. Good to know, I guess.
I'm dead. Oh, they're making the way across town. Zippy, zoomy.
That guy's real low, and so is the fucking VIP on their team, man.
Double kill.
Nice job.
I got Zippy.
Oh no.
Triple kill.
B, what are you doing over there? Get over here. Jesus. Just don't play with Balerion on VIP because he just runs across the damn map when he's not supposed to.
No, you guys spawned on the other side of the map.
Gain the lead.
Sir,
Double
that's what
kill.
happened there.
Triple kill.
You guys spawned on the other side of the map.
Pray up. Shit.
I'm coming towards you.
I'm dead.
Who the fuck you
How do
mailing,
you-
bro? Sit down.
How do you know who the VIP is?
You got a star above your name? He's got a plasma rifle.
I am.
Fuck.
Oh, it's a sniper. He's got a really nice shot.
Oh, he's got plasma gun.
I got him.
Tied the leader.
Ah, you got me.
Sorry, I had 3 on
I got
me.
me. Oh, I am the VIP, you know?
No, I think I am.
No, it says me.
Where the fuck are you? Oh, you're right next to me.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
Bacon
B,
soda?
to our left.
What?
Down low.
I got the one up top.
There's one on me. Need help.
Where is he?
Middle.
Alright, it's their VIP. Oh shit, that's not their VIP. Neither is that one, you bastards.
Going down.
He's right here.
I got 2 on me.
Will you die?
1 down.
Coming up.
Behind us.
Another one down.
Nice.
Where are you, Zippy?
I don't like the fact that I can't do portals. It's about. Oh, he's pushing me. I'm backing up.
Oh no, he's one. What? How did he still got 57? Oh, VIPs have more health. That's why. I didn't know VIPs have double health.
Oh, that guy had a hammer. He's moving shit out
Oh,
of me.
Jesus.
Oh God, he has the.
He has a
fucking
bat. I thought it was a giant toothbrush. I'm not gonna lie.
King Slayer.
I'll take
I hear you.
Damn it, they got me.
How's it gotta be me? Damn it.
Got my revenge on that motherfucker.
Gain the lead.
I don't know if that guy wants to talk about it or not.
Oh shit, I'm getting off the left. I need to heal. How much health
Okay.
do you guys have, by the way?
We have 100.
I'm-
VIPs have 2.
Okay.
Behind you, behind you.
Behind me, please. What do I? No!
I was reloading.
That's your face, bitch.
Oh, that's 28, sorry.
I'm VIP.
How have I not gotten
your
VIP
shots.
once?
They're on me. On me.
Where are you?
Where are you at? Where are
Right
you
here.
I'm.
Oh, you're up
right
top.
here.
One behind me. Fuck. Got him.
He's weak as hell.
Another one right here. Coming.
That guy.
VIP's coming.
On the stairs.
Got the VIP, baby. Let's go.
One on the stairs
This
is
isn't
dead.
as
Balerion,
bad as
coming
I
at
thought
ya.
it would be. People
Got him.
were saying it's not as bad as
Thank
I
you.
thought.
We only need 2 more
On me,
VIP
on me, on me.
kills. Mid.
Oh, die. Yeah, I had
I'm gonna need you to sit down, buddy.
Got that guy dead.
BFB.
Shit,
the
I'm
BFB.
reloading.
No, you bitch!
I got one.
No!
And it wasn't the VIP though.
Damn it! I should have hit him with a bat. Fuck me.
I wanted something to get the camper every day.
Yeah, see you, bitch. I got 2 on me. Fuck. They're VIP
Shit.
one more time.
Oh,
Oh, they portaled right through my body.
Yeah, but who is their VIP?
Double kill.
Oh, shit.
Just dropped down a
all right.
ton of
Valerion's
hell.
ours. Broom Davidson.
He's right on me. Oh, he's Balerion. Freya, get him. He's like in half.
Game
Thank you.
victory.
Chat, I think I'm pretty decent at this game. I wouldn't say I'm like great, but I think I'm alright.
Round 2. 3,
Don't give me VIP.
2,
Give it to camper.
1. VIP.
I am.
Oh my god. I love this map. Up top, up top. Never mind. VIP down. Thank you, Jess. Can we get a shout out for Jess? Yeah, I'm gonna just need you to sit the fuck down.
Up top.
You too, buddy. Where you at? Oh man, I was ready to go to war. I'm face down, ass up. What the fuck?
What did he say?
I'm the VIP finally. Holy shit, chat. Oh shit, that guy just fucked me up with a sniper. Or something. Yep, that's what he's got. Gotta be.
Damn it.
What?
Finally.
Babe, their VIP's coming right at you.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry.
I got him.
You're talking to come
Behind me, shit.
The lead.
Very nice. Is that on clever?
I like this game mode, but not
Jesus
2
Christ.
times in
All
a
right.
row.
Love you. I
I'm
don't want
VIP.
that. Go put that away.
I'm being shot at.
I got shot from like across the map.
Lost the lead.
No fucking shot. Not this time, asshole.
Damn it.
He got me. He's at 17.
Come on, bro. I'm getting shot in the back.
Remaining.
I'm trying to chase him down. I got one of them.
Oh, now I get the spot I want.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
He's weak as fuck.
Gotcha, bitch.
Tied the leader.
Fucking run for. Oh shit.
Camper, careful.
Slayer.
I am working on some shit right now. Yeah! Get out of my fucking game. If you ever pull your bullshit like that again.
Killing
I died from somebody else, damn it.
Lost.
I don't know, maybe it's just because I'm smiling because I am enjoying a game for once. Oh, you little fuck! Ah, shit, that's a person!
There again.
Damn it, he was at 22. Son of a bitch. Yeah, I'm gonna need you to sit the fuck down.
No,
Damn it, he was one shot too, man. They just keep pushing the sniper.
I have a sniper. Oh no, they're on me.
Come on, peek it again, motherfucker. Thank you.
Slayer.
Damn, bastard.
King Slayer.
Shit.
Oh, I finally got him.
Killing spree.
Yeah, I got another one on me. Help me! Damn it.
I'm
I had him at
VIP.
9.
Are they with you, Weebs, or no?
Ah,
Yeah, there's one right here coming at you. Where the fuck did he go? Oh shit, that hurts. Dude, you better just like get shots, bro.
On me, on me, on me.
Shit, Weebs, I'm sorry.
Tied the leader.
Oh, I got him.
Alright,
I
alright,
got him, I got him.
Another one coming up. He's gotta be like a half health. There you go.
Yep.
Double kill.
I can't. Ow. I'm getting shot in every direction.
Damn it. Their VIP's coming at you. I need this sniper. Come on, man.
Oh god, I'm out of battlefield. Oops.
No way, dude. You're one.
Yes! Yes!
Tied the leader.
Eat my ass. Fucking dick.
Gotcha, bitch.
I just one-tapped their fucking VIP.
I put a couple shots into him, too.
1 minute remaining.
Oh my god, they got a railgun. That fucking hurt. Just
Got
a
the
wee
guy,
bit.
babe. Got him, got him.
We need one more VIP. Oh, I'm the VIP. And we need one more
Alright.
kill on theirs. Where's he at? Fucking railgun.
Freya. Freya has it.
You.
Stay back, stay back, stay back. They only need to
Oh
kill
god,
you
they're all
once.
right there.
Game over.
Fuck, sorry.
Way to go, Freya! No, just kidding. Just kidding. That's a joke.